Hey everybody, I want to talk a little bit about landing pages today. There is some updates going on in KW, so I'm going to kind of do this backwards. I'm actually going to create a landing page with the template that KW gives us. In a later video, I'll actually show you how we can customize that template, but right now that's being a little wonky. So we're going to just do a landing page from the landing pages screen. So if you come down here to the landing pages icon, click on it, and it'll give you the overview page, and you can create a landing page. So for this one, I'm actually going to do Lee Summit. The template. Now this one should be available. It is not showing up in my sketches, but it's showing up in the KW templates. So if you've not created one before, then there's a chance that this one won't be here, but I'm pretty confident. Like I said, the other one's not showing up in sketches, so pretty confident that that should be there for you. Postal code, and then configure. All right, so here's the standard template. As you can see, it went ahead and populated my information up here. So in order to customize this, you just come on over here and you click the widgets and kind of work your way through. So I'm going to make a custom header. Make sure my headshot's good. I want to put a background. Maybe you want to change the color of it or something. You can do that here. Make sure your information is correct. It's actually populating from your marketing page. I'm just going to add that in just to be on the safe side. Oh, it's not letting me save that. So it is already pre-populating, so that's okay. And then if you have a team logo you want to add. So make sure you hit apply changes. So that one should be good. Unfortunately, the phone number is being a little funky. Let's try that again. No, not letting me change that. So again, we'll just kind of go down and work our way through, and we'll see if that'll change it all. So then click back, and we can go to the next widget. All right, and it looks to me like they have kind of a stop-go yield thing going on over here. So right now I had made changes to that, so it went to yellow because it looks like there is some couple of problems. Down here it looks like this one's already good. One of one is completely completed, so it's green. So next we're going to hit Market Snap. So here we want to enter the postal code. And go ahead and click enter. There we go. And then it should pull all the neighborhoods in that zip code. So let's specifically do, let's see. Let's just go with Lee Summit. There we go. Lure filter, this is going to be if you want all the listings, just KW listings, your market center listing, teams listing, or your agents listing. If you might want to use agent if, say, you're trying to dominate a certain neighborhood, you have a bunch of listings in there, you can show your active listings. I'm going to go ahead and just leave it at all. So once you have this the way you like it, go ahead and click apply change. And then you'll actually see it become active over here on the side of the screen. So I'm going to click back over. You can see that that red is changed now to green, so it should be good to go. And we click on local insights. You can either see your insights or you can see all the insights. Now, I think we're kind of dealing with maybe some updating going on here. It is very interesting. This Lee Summit Insight, it won't let me really delete it at all. But we're going to go down here and we're just going to add it and see what happens. So that should be added. You'll see it up here. And let's go back to my insight. I did one on Lakeshore Plaza, so I went ahead and added that one too. And then let's apply change. Normally, so say you can add the ones you want, you can add them up here, and then you should be able to delete. This Lee Summit Insight, which is the template site, won't let me delete it right now. But then Lakeshore Plaza, I can either add it or I can go back and delete it down here. So we're going to hit apply changes. You're going to see everything will kind of be come out of preview mode. As you can see here, this test inquiry, that's the one that won't go away. Lakeshore Plaza, that insight. And then, so let's go back out. That one is now turned to yellow. I'm sure that has to do with not being able to add the insights like we want to. And then the lead form is already done. So we can click on that and just see if you want to change the header to something else, you can go ahead and do that as well. So when that is done and you are ready, you can either save it as a draft or publish. I am going to go ahead and publish it, even though there's a couple of issues with it. Yep, I am sure. And then you'll actually see it here. This will be your URL, which you can share over social media. You can share via email, however you want to do it. You can turn it on and turn it off over here. And then you can actually edit it, deactivate it, or delete it when you are ready. So I'm just going to leave it as is, and I'm actually going to unactivate it for the time being because of the corrections that need to be made. So hopefully that helped. I know that there's still a lot of flux and things are not working quite the way we want them to yet. That is coming. Hopefully this gives you just a general overview of how to set up one of the custom the template landing pages that KW provides. So hope this video helped. If you like it, please subscribe. If you have a question or would like to see a specific topic featured, then give me an email at Jenny, JENNYOP, @kw.com. Have a great day, guys.